The front cabin tab shows various exterior light controls, excluding emergency lights. It also contains mute button and the anti-theft button. Along the top row are a center light button, amber light button, if equipped, a fog light button, and the mute button. In the bottom row, left, rear, and right scene light buttons, as well as the anti-theft button. The front center light button can be used to deactivate the front center light when in primary mode. To reactivate center light, simply press the same button again. Note that cycling the primary emergency lights off and on again will automatically reactivate the center light. Rear amber flashing lights can be turned on by pressing the rear amber lights button. They can be turned off using the same button. Note that placing the transmission in reverse will automatically illuminate rear flashing lights, and placing it out of reverse will turn them off. When transmission is in reverse, the reverse alarm can be heard. The alarm can be muted by pressing the alarm mute button. Press the left scene lights button to turn them on. Press the same button to turn them off. Press the rear scene lights button to turn them on. Press the same button again to turn them off. Note that the rear scene lights will automatically illuminate if the transmission is placed in reverse or if the rear entry door is opened. Press the right scene lights button to turn on right scene lights. Press the same button again to turn them off. Note that opening the side entry door will also automatically illuminate right scene lights. The anti-theft system allows to leave the truck unattended with the engine running. To activate anti-theft, the engine must be running, the transmission must be in park, and the service brake must not be pressed. If these conditions are met, press the anti-theft button, which will allow you to remove the ignition key and leave the vehicle unattended. If an unauthorized person enters the vehicle and presses the service brake, the engine will shut off. The truck can be restarted as normal using the ignition key. When the anti-theft system is active, it can be deactivated by pressing the button again or by taking the transmission out of park.